In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on blog comments in Squarespace. If you want readers to engage with your blog posts, ask questions, or share feedback directly on your site, enabling comments is a simple and useful feature to set up. In Squarespace, this can be done from your site settings in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your site-wide options, so if you ever need to adjust overall website behavior, this is usually a good place to begin. After opening settings, look for blog preferences and click on it. This section controls the default behavior for your blog, including how posts are managed and how readers interact with them. If you have more than one blog-related option available, just make sure you're entering the area specifically labeled Blog Preferences. Once you're in Blog Preferences, click on Comments Settings. This is the part of Squarespace where comment functionality is managed. If comments are currently disabled, your visitors won't be able to leave responses on your blog posts, so this is the key area you need to update. Now, find the option called Enable Comments Globally and click it to turn it on. Enabling comments globally means the comment feature will be activated across your blog, rather than requiring you to manually enable it one post at a time. This is especially helpful if you want a consistent experience for your readers and you regularly publish new content. After you've turned that setting on, click Save. This final step is important because without saving, your changes may not be applied. Once saved, your comment settings should be updated and active. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to preview one of your blog posts and confirm that the comment section is showing the way you expect. That way, you can make sure everything is working properly from a visitor's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully turned on blog comments in Squarespace. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in building more interaction and community around your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.